All right, today we're gonna put this lap cart together. It's from VEVOR. I like the brass color that they have. I'm gonna set it up and see how high it looks and how it works. All right, out of the box, just all you got to do is screw 2 screws in here, and the actual rolling wheels, and that's it. That's pretty much it. This whole thing, you put the washer here, put this in here, you rotate with your hand, and then you tighten it up. So out of the box, everything's set up already. These two and the actual wheels need to be set up, and that's about it. It took me about 3 minutes to put together. All right, check this out, guys. So the car itself, it has a lock in the bottom. I locked it up. All right, you can lock and unlock it, very simple. Rotating itself, look at that, easy. You put your tools in here. If you're a dentist or anybody that works in the medical field, they put their actual also their instruments in here. All right, so that's another thing you can do. This is going to carry a lot of low weight. If it goes forward, it has a stabilization on the bottom here. To close it out, if you guys can see, to close it out, you just push this in here, which you have to make sure you keep your hands away from it, lock it in. There's one plate if you want to just use one at a time. And look at this. I want to do the other one. Lock it in. And you want to store this, you can store it. This is perfect if you just want to use one tray instead of 2. So for one tray, you just turn it up, it locks in and automatically in place. All right, there's a little mechanism underneath of it right here. You guys can see it right here. Push it up and then flat down. Just be careful with your fingers not to have them while you're putting it down. All right, another thing, lock it in place. Very simple. Like the color. All right, this is what I use my cart for most of the times when I'm building things. I don't like to lose the screws. I want to keep them right next to me. I roll this with me. I put these projects together. I have them on my tool set up and ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.